Ready to access your Social Security account and manage your benefits online? Watch into this step-by-step guide on Socialsecurity.gov My Account login. Let's get started. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter secure.ssa.gov/RIL into the address bar to access the website. There are 3 different options for login. Click here to use your Login.gov account. If you want to log in with your ID.me account, click here. If you want to log in using the username and password created before September 18th, 2021, click here. When you click on the option to log in with your username, a login panel like this will open. Write your username in the first line. Enter your password in the line below and click on the Sign In button. If you can't remember your username or password, you can click on the links below the lines. Don't forget to support our channel by liking this video, leaving a comment with your feedback, and subscribing for more informative tutorials like this one. Your engagement fuels our commitment to providing valuable content.